In the heart of Singapore, where gleaming steel reaches for the sky, there's a garden that defies imagination. A place that glows in the night and breathes life into the city. Welcome to Gardens by the Bay, a symphony of nature and technology, where dreams of a greener future have blossomed into a breathtaking reality. They dreamed of transforming their garden city into a city in a garden. And so, in 2012, Gardens by the Bay opened its gates, a bold statement on the world stage. The goal was to create a space that not only captivated the eye, but also symbolized the delicate harmony between humanity and the natural world. Today, it stands as one of the most visited and admired green spaces on the planet, a testament to a vision that dared to be different. It's a place that proves urban living doesn't have to mean leaving nature behind. Looming over the landscape like sentinels from another world are the iconic Supertrees. These magnificent vertical gardens stretch up to 50 meters into the sky, a fusion of art, engineering, and botany. They collect rainwater to irrigate the plants that cling to their trunks. Their canopies are fitted with solar panels that generate clean energy, and they even act as air intakes and exhausts for the nearby conservatories, helping to cool the surrounding environment. And when night falls, the magic truly begins. The entire grove awakens for the Garden Rhapsody, a dazzling light and sound show. The trees pulse with color, dancing in sync with a moving musical score under the starry Singapore sky. Now, let's step into a world shrouded in mist. Welcome to the cloud forest. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a cool, refreshing mist and the thundering roar of the world's tallest indoor waterfall. It's an awe-inspiring sight, a 35-meter cascade tumbling down a mountain cloaked in lush, vibrant greenery. This isn't just a replica. It's a living, breathing ecosystem. As you ascend the cloud walk, you're literally walking through the clouds, surrounded by a vertical garden teeming with life. But to preserve its most fragile and beautiful forms, creating a sanctuary in the heart of a bustling city. Right next door, another world awaits inside the flower dome, certified by Guinness World Records as the largest glass greenhouse in the world. Here, you can embark on a botanical world tour in a single afternoon, stroll through ancient Mediterranean olive groves, marvel at the strange and wonderful baobab trees of Africa, and wander through fields of flowers that change with the seasons, from vibrant tulips in spring to festive poinsettias in winter. The flower dome isn't just a static display of plants. It's a dynamic, ever-changing journey across different continents and ecosystems. It's a living library of biodiversity, a vibrant classroom, and a breathtaking celebration of the sheer variety of life our planet holds, all protected under one incredible, futuristic roof. But Gardens by the Bay is so much more than just a tourist attraction or a beautiful park. It's a beacon of inspiration, a working model for the future of sustainable urban living. It asks and answers the critical question: how can our cities not just exist, but thrive? It shows us how architecture can be alive, how urban spaces can breathe, and how humanity can forge a symbiotic relationship with nature instead of a destructive one. It's the story of a city that dared to dream green, and in doing so, created a masterpiece. As the sun sets over the Marina Bay skyline and the Supertrees begin their nightly glow, one thing becomes crystal clear. Gardens by the Bay isn't just a garden. It's a living, breathing glimpse into our future. A future where nature and technology grow side by side, working together to transform the world's concrete jungles into vibrant, sustainable paradises for all of us. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey.